So those of you who haven't known me before, or maybe you're watching this seminar for the first time for me. So my name is Nilesh. I'm also known as Success Coach Nilesh. I came to UK as a student, and started working for a company, then got laid off, then I had to apply for new jobs, and many career difficulties happened with me. But that actually helped me to understand what actually works and what doesn't work, and maybe that actually gives me some sort of knowledge and wisdom to create this sort of masterclass to help you. If you are, let's say, thinking about changing your career or moving up in the career or restarting your career, anything with that. So I'll give you some of the tips which I'm sure definitely going to help you out. And the reason I'm saying that definitely will help you out, because I started using those tips for me. It worked for me. I started using it for my clients. They work for them. So that is the reason I'm very sure that is definitely going to work. And if you listen, take some notes. I'm sure you have pen and paper with you. Make a journal, write the notes. Start using those. So that will make things happen for you.